guys, we have another great product review. The dash cam camera.
A dash camera made by the company ORSKEY.
ORSKEY.
Alright, Jenda, why don't you go ahead and unbox that dash camera.
If I can open it.
Just slide that box out of the sleeve.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Model number S996. Packed with lots of features. Go ahead and unbox that, Jenda.
What? This is it?
There she is.
Still.
I like this size. This is perfect, but it's upside down, Jenda. Here we go. Alright, it's got an 8 megapixel lens, 4K UHD, and a wide angle fixed lens at f1.8. Now that's a wide aperture. That's going to let in a lot of light. So this actually should do pretty good at night. And we will definitely put it to the test. Alright. What else you got there, Jenda? What comes with it?
Suction. And a charger.
So there is your cable, your DC connection, plugs right into the outlet in your car and attaches to your camera. And what do you got in your hand there, Jenda?
USB cord.
It's a cable that attaches USB to this micro USB type connection. This is the size of like a GoPro. And so you have your suction cup right here. That goes on your windshield and connects to your dash camera.
Yeah, and this is the back of your car camera.
And so this is the second lens. This goes to the back of your car, like right over your license plate, or you can put it above your back windshield, which is more than likely what we will do. And that could really come in handy. Just run the wire along the molding of your car, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Alright, so it has some cool features. Dual 4K lenses. One of them is 140 degrees, the other is 170 degrees. You got built-in GPS, parking guidelines. Now that's pretty cool. And it'll take a maximum size memory card of 256 gigabytes. Parking monitor. I believe you can set it to start recording if your car detects any tampering with, like if someone bumps your car is trying to break in, the dash camera will automatically start recording. And of course it has a loop recording feature, meaning it's going to record up to the full length of the card you've installed and then automatically go back to the beginning and start recording over. So Jenda, what we're going to do is demonstrate it. Let's go install it on the car. Alright, so when you turn the key on, dash camera automatically turns on and starts recording. You can see the record icon right there flashing. And if you want to go into the menu, go ahead and stop the recording. And right here, you have your menu. You have your resolution. We got it in. This is also, the power button is a function button. We're going to record in QHD. And loop recording, WDR exposure. You can increase the exposure if you want. G sensor, motion detection, record audio, date stamp, exit, hit the function button. And also there's another part of the menu. Let's see, stop recording. You hit it twice. This button right here. You have your mode button right here. And you have your date, time, screensaver, delayed power off, beep sound, language, frequency, auto power off. Different settings to go through. We've already set it to how we want it. GPS, time zone, speed unit. We've got ours in miles per hour. We're in the United States. Daylight savings time, parking monitor. And always, when you use your card the first time, go ahead and format it. And this is the default settings. And let's go ahead and exit. Function button. Alright, so we're recording again. Okay. Alright, so we're going to go into our app. Going to connect our device. And now we can control the menu from our phone. And it will also display the screen, the live screen, and you can make it larger, which of course will look a lot better. So there you have it. You can record by pressing this button. It's already recording. You can stop the recording, close record. You can take photos. Open the camera mode. Camera mode's on. Take a photo. Go back to recording. So yeah, that's how that works. And so now we're going to take a look at some road footage, sunlight, rain, nighttime, to give you a better idea of what the footage on this ORSKEY dash camera looks like. Yeah, so the same settings that are on the dash camera you can find on the app, and you can change those settings right from the convenience of your phone. So another thing that we can do right from our phone is we can play back videos. And Elise, I want you to go ahead and click on the video.
Listen up, Carolinas. During Jeep Freedom Days, there's only one Jeep dealer in the Carolinas that has the largest new Jeep inventory.
So we can go through the files and we can play videos. Now, I don't want to get any copyright strikes because of that audio, so I'm going to talk over this. Just hang on, just give her an idea, Anna. So it's a cool feature. If you're out on the road, you want to look at something that you just recorded, and so that's what you can do. You can go back into your app and view the files. All right, go ahead and get out of that, Anna. See the one to the church? Just do one more. So there I am on my way home. So that's a cool feature to have. If you want to review something real quick and say you haven't downloaded the files yet, they are right in the app. And yeah, you just call them up and you have audio and video. Okay, so I want to show you some dash cam footage that's actually from the dash camera. And so here, as you can see, it's an overcast day. And you can see some nice bright colors from the dash camera. And as you can tell, the wide-angle lens is showing pretty much the whole road. And here we get a little bit more sunlight, got a break in the clouds anyway, see a little bit of blue sky. But yeah, I like the wide lens because you can see pretty much the whole front of where you're headed, the whole front of the car. So if anyone were to hit you coming from the side, the camera would pick that up. And here we go. So here it is, nighttime. And as you can see, the blacks are black. The road is lit up nice from the car's headlights. You don't see anything that's over or underexposed. This is like a perfect exposure, and it's not like infrared where it looks black and white, but no, you get to see colors. So we'll put a link in the description below where you may purchase this dash camera. Thanks for watching.